This is the greatest wealth building period in our lifetime, and it is time for you to get an ISA. If you don't have any, this is your wake-up call. Guys, there is a lot of things happening in the market right now. From now on, I'll be sharing many videos with you on how to invest so that you are doing it in a safe manner, so that you can build wealth and retire early. Join me on this journey as we all retire early and plan our future. If you are really confused about all the things that have to do with will, pension, taxes, investing, stocks and shares, cash ISA, all those things that are very difficult to calculate, sometimes you don't even understand what it means, then watch my videos. I'm going to be explaining these as easy as possible. I will show you some of the things I'm investing in, and I'll show you how you can build wealth. So share this video with your family and friends. Invite your friends to join in this movement. It's a serious movement, guys. AI is around the corner, and this has created a new ecosystem for all. In this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step process on how you can open an ISA and you can now start investing. It's so easy to do. This is something that maybe 20 years ago you need to go through a stockbroker, but right now we have apps you can use. I use Trading 212. I'll tell you many reasons why I use Trading 212. I'm going to show you exactly how you can open this account step by step. There are some aspects I'm going to blur out because it's my sensitive information, but I feel you would be able to follow it because it's not something I have to tell you to do. Just follow the steps and complete it. You see how easy it is to use this app. Let's go. This is the Trading 212 app. This is what it looks like. Do not download any other app apart from this. They have 5 accounts. So when you open your Trading 212, this is what it looks like. You see your stocks and shares ISA, the invest ISA, the cash ISA, the CFD, and the SIP, SIPP. A major mistake that many people make is that they put their money in their invest instead of the stocks and shares ISA. If you put your money in the invest, whatever profit you make will be taxed. Is your stocks and shares ISA and cash ISA that will not be taxed. SIP is self-invested personal pension. So if you want to control how you invest your pension, you can open a SIP and the government will top it up with 20%. Don't worry, I'll go into all these areas, but let's concentrate on the stocks and shares ISA and the cash ISA. Now, for the stocks and shares ISA, it says there is 0 commission investing, no account fee, 3.8% AER on your cash paid. What does this mean? It means that if you buy any stocks and shares, they will not charge you. That's the 0 commissions investment, and there is no accounting fee. And if you keep your money in these stocks and shares ISA, they will even give you interest on any cash you have. In case you don't buy any stocks or shares yet, maybe you just have some money there, you can still get interest every day. I told you I get paid every day. I get that alert every day. So it will be paid into your account in your Trading 212. This is not even a sponsored video. I just like this app because it's easy. If you use Vanguard, they will just give you Vanguard instruments and there's commission that comes with it, but I like this one. Now the next one is your cash ISA. It says here that you will earn 4.51. I think it's reduced now, maybe for the first time, but later on they reduce it. But it's flexible to withdraw anytime, completely free, no account fees. And let me tell you something, you can withdraw the money you put in your cash ISA anytime, and you will get that alert in 2 days, 3 days. So easy and straightforward. Now, the next one is your SIP. It says get tax relief now and take up to 25% tax-free later. It says deposit tax-free up to £60,000 per year, 3.8% AER on your cash paid daily, 0 commissions, flexible withdrawals from age 55, no account fees. I told you guys that once you want to retire, some people don't want to wait until the state pension will be activated, the retirement age. I think they want to increase it to 67.5 years. That is crazy. You can start withdrawing from the age of 55 and you can retire early. That's what people do. They have this, they start enjoying from this, living the life they deserve, not waiting until you are very, very old before you can tap into your pension. The beautiful thing about this is you can invest in the stocks and shares you are interested in that will give you high yield. You can also backdate, that's accrue your allowance from previous years up to 5 years or 6 years, and you can even invest 240,000 in a year if you want to. Also, you can open one for your child, and remember that it's tax-free for the first 25% that you withdraw from this pot. This is how people retire early. You can always use my referral link to open an account. Just click on the link in the description, or you can go to the comments. You see the link to my Trading 212. Once you click on it, open with Chrome. Once Chrome opens, the website will open. That's trading212.com. You can see you can accept cookies or you can reject non-essential cookies. It says commission free, invest for everyone. Get the app. Just click on the app, and then it says this site is trying to open. You can see the app has opened now. Just download it on your phone. It will ask you many questions: your name, your age, your country of residence. Simple questions. I don't want to show them here because it contains my sensitive information. Once you complete everything, your account will be created and you would have access to your dashboard. Now you see something like this. When you click on the 3 lines there, you see this: do not put money in your invest. First of all, put money in your stocks and shares or cash ISA if you're interested in a cash ISA, or a SIP, but don't start with invest. You have to start with stocks and shares ISA or cash ISA because that's the one that is tax-free. You have £20,000 tax-free, including lifetime ISA. They don't have lifetime ISA option. You can deposit money straight from your bank by clicking deposit funds here. And if you want to have access to your stocks ISA, just click on that pie symbol. You can see the pie circle there, and this is what your dashboard would look like. It looks like this. Is a simple one. It will be flat anyway because you don't have money in it yet. You can also transfer money from another broker to this platform if you don't want to lose your position. Maybe you have money in IG or Vanguard or many, I don't know. Just select the one that you feel is best for you. If you feel that you want to transfer your position from another account to Trading 212, this option is available to you. I hope you benefited a lot from this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to be sharing more videos that will help you build wealth. Please, investing is not for only the rich. No, it's not for the rich alone. It's for everybody. It's for those people who want to protect their future, protect their hard-earned money, and grow what they have. I'm going to show you how you can do it safely. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.